Welcome to our YouTube channel 5 Minutes Notes. In this video, we will see the HTML basics by understanding all the basic stuffs of HTML codings. There are various tags that we use must be considered the include while starting in HTML codes. So first of all, we will you know the what is HTMLs. Every web developer is know about HTML languages. HTML stands for Simple Hypertext Markup Language. Using this language, developer can create its own web pages. So, in the HTML languages, HTML stands for markup language. In markup language means we can create a basic or a raw structure of our websites. We are using different heading tag, markup tag. We will see in the next videos. So using HTML, every web developer or every programmer, he don't know the knowledge of programming. He also can create his own websites, and it is very easy to learn. So every studying students or learner, we can able to design our own website using HTMLs or its tags. So in we are going to in actual meaning of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. uh, we know the what is markup language. The HTML document are simply text document with a specific form. HTML code having some using some tags, some different styles of code. We will see in the next video. So HTML documents, it's having some combinations of letters or some markup language or markup tag. It's having a combination of content. So what is content? Content is nothing but actual information being conveyed. So we are use different tags in HTML codes. Markup tags tell the browser how to display a web page. We are using markup tag we are using heading tag, body tag, or an HTML file. We must have extension having .html. So we know that is the HTML file open with browser. An HTML file we can create a simple text editor like that. We will see in next video. Thank you.